CBD hemp oil is a unique cannabidiol product. It is a common way of referring to CBD that's been extracted from hemp and suspended in hemp oil. While CBD and hemp oil are two different substances, they are derived from the same plant and contain complementary health benefits. CBD has been associated with pain relief, reduction of inflammation, promotion of better sleep and relaxation, control of anxiety, and more. Hemp seed oil is naturally rich in omega acids, vitamins, and minerals. By choosing CBD combined with hemp oil, you're also getting a product that is highly nutritious. CBD hemp oil can deliver a range of benefits thanks to the unique combination of these substances. Though many people choose to simply take CBD hemp oil directly from the dropper, it can also be added to tea, coffee, smoothies, and integrated into various recipes. It provides a lot of versatility and convenience for the user. CBD derived from hemp makes it possible to remove any need for marijuana for cannabidiol extraction. This means that there is a significant reduction in the potential for any THC to enter the process. As hemp seed is a natural byproduct of growing hemp for CBD and other uses, the combination of hemp seed oil and CBD just makes sense. If you'd like to learn more about CBD hemp oil, how to identify a source, and what you should consider before you buy, PureDosage.com has information to help.